Hello! Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write and explain step by step how to add the squares of the binomials 4x squared plus y and 6y squared plus x. First, I'm going to expand each binomial by applying the formula for binomial square a plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial, 4x squared plus y, the term 4x squared corresponds to the a in the formula, and the variable y corresponds to the b in the formula. In the second binomial, 6y squared plus x, 6y squared corresponds to the a in the formula, and the x corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply the formula for both, I get 4x squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times 4x squared multiplied by y plus y squared plus 6y squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times 6y squared x plus x squared. As a next step, I need to apply the rule of exponents for power of a product with two factors. A multiplied by b in parentheses to the nth power equals to a to the nth power multiplied by b to the nth power. This way I get 4 squared x squared to the power of 2 plus 2 times 4, 8 x squared y plus y squared plus 6 squared y squared to the power of 2 plus 2 times 6, 12 y squared x plus x squared. As a last step, I need to apply the rule of exponents for power of a power. A to the power of n in parentheses to the power of m equals to a to the power of n multiplied by the power of m. This way, this expression equals to 16 x to the power of 2, and then to the power of 2 is x to the 4th power plus 8x squared y. I'm just going to rewrite this term and the next one, y squared. Then we have 6 squared y squared squared, or 36 y to the 4th power plus 12 x y squared. I'm just going to write this term in a standard form where the variables are written in alphabetical order. And then plus x squared is the last term of this polynomial. In this polynomial, all terms are unique. They're not like or similar. Therefore, it can't be simplified further, and it's the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.